Hey Kine's Corner fams, welcome back to another episode of Skincare Magic. Today again we are diving in another winter special video. Winter brings with it a cozy atmosphere, but for many it also brings the challenges of dry and flaky skin. Cold weather tends to strip away the skin's natural moisture, leaving it parched and in the need of extra care. Most people suffer from it and don't know how to cure it. Some skin-friendly oils can be extremely helpful in this department. They have the skin healing properties that solve the dryness issues and protect the skin from the cold winters. Get ready to say goodbye to dryness and hello to nourished, glowing complexion. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of oils that will keep your skin happy all winter long. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Kine's Corner family for more skincare goodness. Let's start the topic now. In our today's list, on number 6 is Sweet Almond Oil. Sweet almond oil is like a superhero for your skin, packed with the essential nutrients like vitamin A, E, essential fatty acids, and zinc. It is the ultimate remedy for dull, dry, and flaky skin. Not only does it keep your skin super hydrated, but it also works wonder in healing wounds and enhancing your skin's protective barrier. It is like a shield for your skin, protecting it from oxidative stress, photo damage, and even reducing early sign of aging and scars. This is the best natural remedy for saying goodbye to dry skin and chapped lips. It is basically the best friend your skin never knew it needed. Here you can see some best options available for you. Massage a small amount of oil onto your skin, focusing on the areas prone to dryness. It also can be used as a carrier oil for essential oils in a relaxing massage. Our next oil is olive oil. Olive oil is known to be a natural hydrating ingredient. It is kind of like the oil your skin naturally makes. So, it keeps your skin's deeper layer really very well hydrated and happy, thanks to all the vitamins and fatty acid it has. The awesome part is that it soaks into your skin pretty well. If you got acne-prone skin, it might not be the best fit for you. This oil is like an antioxidant superhero, fighting off those early signs of aging, and if you are dealing with dry and itchy skin, olive oil is your go-to buddy for some serious moisture and nourishment. Apply a moderate amount of olive oil to slightly damp skin after a shower. You can also use it in homemade face masks or add it to your bath for nice relaxing soak. Our next superhero oil is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a skincare superstar with some amazing beauty perks. Studies have shown that it is a real champ when it comes to tackling dry skin problems. How? Well, it does a fantastic job of boosting your skin's protective barrier and locking in moisture. If you are dealing with a dry and flaky skin, then coconut oil is like your new best friend. And the cool part is, it suits all skin type, but it is especially gentle on sensitive skin. So, if you are looking for a natural way to keep your skin happy and hydrated, then coconut oil is for you. Warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands and apply to your body, paying attention to your dry areas. On number 3 is jojoba oil. Think of jojoba oil as a magical remedy for dull and thirsty skin. What is cool about this oil is that it is a lot like the natural oil our skin makes. So it is friendly to all skin types. This oil gives your skin a deep, nourishing boost. The best part is it soaks in super fast without making your skin all oily. Perfect for dry, itchy, and sensitive skin. Apply a few drops of jojoba oil onto your clean, damp skin and massage gently. It can also be added to your regular moisturizer for extra boost of hydration. On number 2 is argan oil. Again, this oil is also work like a superhero for your dry skin. It is packed with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins that do wonders. The fatty acids in it help make your skin healthier by calming down redness, making more collagen, which is like your skin's building blocks, and making sure your skin's protective layer works well. If you are dealing with a dry skin or trying to fight off wrinkles and fine lines, signs of aging, then argan oil is for you. It has anti-aging effects, reduces skin's oiliness, prevent and reduces stretch marks. It is basically a magic potion to make your skin feel and look awesome. How to use it? Warm a few drops of argan oil between your palms and gently press it onto your face and neck. It can also be applied to dry patches on your body. And the number one is even my favorite, sesame oil or til tel. In the world of Ayurveda, sesame oil takes the crown as the queen of all the oils. This special oil is like a treat for your skin, making it strong and well nourished. Ayurveda loves to use sesame oil for self-massages because of its calming and warming vibes. Sesame oil is often nicknamed the fountain of youth because it is super healthy, loaded with the essential nutrients. Would you believe that over 90% of Ayurvedic treatments use sesame oil as their main ingredient? That is how awesome it is. This magical oil is not just good for massages, it's like a superhero for your skin. Packed with powerful antioxidants, plus it is anti-inflammatory, making it great for your skin. It makes your skin soft as baby's skin, helps prevent early aging, heals your skin, acts as a natural sunscreen, and even takes care of cracked heels. To use sesame oil as a cleanser, apply warm oil on the body and massage it for 10 minutes before taking shower. Other than that, you can use sesame oil as a moisturizer. Add few drops of it to your daily moisturizer and use it regularly. You will eventually have a very happy skin every day. So friends, these 6 oils stands out as an excellent choice for keeping your skin moisturized and protected during the winter months. I trust that this information will prove valuable to you. If you found the video helpful, kindly show your support by pressing the like button. Your encouragement truly fuels our passion. Don't forget to share this valuable insight with your loved one. Thank you once more for staying with me throughout. Stay well and take care.